What to do if the fasteners jam in tools? There are three main reasons for nail jamming problems. Firstly, there is a large gap between the nail trough solder and the muzzle cover. Secondly, there are debris inside the nail trough solder, causing the pusher block to not be pushed in place. Thirdly, there is wear on the front end of the driver. Reason 1 and Reason 2, the same solution, can be used by replacing the pusher. Push the tail buckle cylindrical pin and remove the nail trough solder. To disassemble the nail trough solder, first remove the pusher stopper. Remove other components. Replaced with a new pusher. Reassemble the nail trough solder. The first step is to assemble the guide wheel first. The second step is to lift the push nail tension spring and connect it to the locking position of the pusher. Extend the push pin and connect the spring to solder the locking position of the nail trough. The third step is assembling the back cover and stopper of the nail pusher. The fourth is connected, the assembled nail trough soldered to the body. Check the gap between the nail pusher and the muzzle cover. If it is completely closed, it indicates that it is a qualified product. Put back the rest of the parts. Reason 3. The front end of the driver is weird and needs to be replaced with a new one. Unscrew the exhaust cover. Remove the driver and cylinder. Replacement of new driver. Use a brush to apply lubricating oil to the cylinder and driver. Insert the driver into the cylinder and then install them into the body. Align the holes of the bumper and press the cylinder down evenly. Then install the retainer ring back in place with the larger end facing downward. Finally, install the exhaust cover.